Their pushes lang. Start bunking the walls.
Yung hard siya nakatingin ah.
Shaper.
Engaging!
Get ready.
Engaging!
Heal on the top me. Everything on top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sige, nasalo ko ng ano.
Oh, okay.
Yo, listen. Heal on early, okay? If I'm gonna engage inside, heal on early. Inside, okay? Ball inside.
Paki-W naman ng mga tank na sa loob, oh. Dami.
Yeah, listen to the tanks inside. Careful, spread 90 side.
Tara, this day, buong tayo.
Guys, yung guard dun sa harapan ha, may mamamatay dyan, panigurado.
Kill the guards, kiss and W's. Shaper's looking, okay? Yo, get ready healing hoods on top of me. Get ready healing hoods on top of me. I wanna kill the tanks, man. Kill these guards inside. Yo, yeah, defend shallow. Okay, wait. Yo, get ready, healing, yo, help. Okay, no, listen. Wait. West side, look at west side. Healing on west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing west. Nice.
Pwede rin ako ah.
Good job.
Kulang ko lang.
Sige. Garden lang muna ton.
Pag-guards, kawawa yung healer.
Re-rated ako cooldown na para
Bang
ready
this
ko na ulit.
wall. Bang the walls here.
Pwede rin ako ah.
Sige, meron ako. Ako sa salo.
Bang the walls here.
Pwede mo na ako.
Sila race.
Wala ding guard dun sa harapan.
Sa akin, Yasu.
Kill the guards.
Paper.
Di mo na ako. Di mo na ako.
Ready.
Ako sa salo na.
Ready. Healing na the top, okay? Yo, how many percent is that?
Wala akong di mo na. 36.
70.
Meron ako.
Mugi may mga north. May gumagalaw pa north.
See it.
Nag-invi si Judge.
Kasatis. Heal niya.
Nagdi mo na ako.
Teka, hindi ko makapag-transform po, tangin ng Helion Hood to. May brawl naman oh.
Healing hood, get ready. Look at the gate. West side, healing hood, get ready. West side. Wait. Yo, look at the tanks west side, okay? Healing hoods. 5, 4,
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Healing hood. Yo, much earlier.
Dismount na sa east yung yung cheater bomber.
Demon.
Shaper west.
Di mo na ako.
Walkies. East. Hello, not following me. Hello. Yo, come south. Pakatch nga na. Naman, di nakatch.
Sobrang annoying naman. Nakakapatay sila.
Reset na. Yo, can we
Resetting ako, wala
reset this
akong demon,
This battle mount. Pa-dismount na to eh. Yo, get ready. Healing node, can you set up already on top of the tanks already? Yo, get ready ah. Wait. Careful front. Oh,
Looking na.
Oh,
Looking na.
Careful. West side ah. Wait. Yo, healing node west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit everything on me. Everything on me.
Shaper ah. Demon. I'm Demon.
Ako na. Heal up.
May demon pa?
Careful.
Wala na
Ready,
demon.
set.
Mag-up na tayo.
Yun, kailangan natin mapatay yung mga
15 seconds pa, demon.
Actually, low HP ka na. Pwede ka na mag-out dyan. Hello? Lansoli?
Engaging!
Si Lance.
Hindi ka pa mamatay. Yo, look at inside on the tanks. Healing node on inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node inside. Yo, can I get guard rune fast on top of?
Guard runes. Mga offensive guard runes, yung mga ano.
Ay, good yun. Everyone just hold.
Looking ah.
Sige, mag-guard na ako. Teka
Yo,
lang.
hold.
Sige.
They're looking ah. Get out of the gate. Shaper.
I'm resetting.
Engaging to ah!
Ba't ang daming tanks
Nasasabay
na
sa
outside?
locus.
Ba't namatay? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ako na lang gagard ron pag na-engage eh.
Ba't may tanks? Ah!
Kung lag nyo nasa south side, nasa southeast side, anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Sabihin nyo sana, anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Explain.
Hill front
si Squid.
What are you guys defending on north side? Tell me why you have to be so stupid, tell me.
Hold nyo muna guard dun.
What's on the north side?
Sige,
There's a wall there.
Per second.
So majority of my zergs on the southeast side, on the east side. So why are you north side? Why?
Looking yata sila.
Yung
Ready, everyone. Healing nodes, get ready. South west side. Healing nodes, west side. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito lang.
Okay, back. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses.
Sakto lang guys.
More
Wala ko na
tanks,
lang din
guys.
muna ako.
North side. And I wonder why. To be honest, I really wonder why. Reset your cooldown.
they're moving out ah.
Yeah. Let
Careful.
them. Ready, potions. We're gonna walk in deep. Ready.
Engaging!
Copy what's walking deep. Left up, so left southwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. More damage. Spread, he said. Okay, nice try.
Dam Lord, invi na. Di mo na.
Defend now, full defend.
Natutulak ako.
Fully, okay? Spread northeast. Kill Yotob.
30 seconds, demon
Why
to,
is Yotob dying? Why is
Hindi mo
Yotob
na ako,
dead?
hindi mo na ako.
Shaper.
Walang demon
Natin siya ng bomb na ano.
Wala din na.
Lumayo siya sa third.
Nice try, si Bal.
I'm resetting.
Ay, naku. Ano pa ako kinamamatay?
10 seconds din.
Nandin ako.
Everyone get ready. Go muna ng tanks ko na yun. Sorry. Looking ah.
Engaging.
Wala
Up front.
defensive ba?
Okay, wait. Everyone,
Gardens,
full send it west side.
Gardens
5,
now.
4,
Gardens
3,
now.
2, 1. Everything now west side.
Guard doon ako ah.
Shaper.
Shaper,
Demon that shaper. Come back. Spread
Nag-demon
northeast.
ako.
Holy
Yeah,
shit,
we're gonna beat them
pinag-demon
outside
ako.
Terry now. Come northeast. Yo, cleanses, Garden. Come northeast. Come northeast, Garden. Come.
Swing.
Keep coming. Help Queen. Keep coming north. Okay, walk out. Follow. Sir, follow. Left tanks if you die. Again. Waiting for my DPS trigger. How many people in party to DPS?
Dalawa.
Ay, mga patik pa kayo dyan.
I need more DPS.
DPS pala ako.
Wala akong mapulot.
Look at these guards. Are they following?
4 minutes OC.
Yeah, double OC. Are they following?
Hindi.
Check your food.
Are they not following?
No.
Hindi. Nakamount sila.
Lumalabas iba.
Yeah, try to catch.
Mag-defensive sila kayo. Mag-defensive sabi yung iba sa inyo.
Andito yung soul site ah.
Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5. Everything on the J. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the J.
Defensive guard doon ako ah.
Okay, now, wait they're gonna
Dismounted.
turn here. Okay, they're gonna turn here. Ready. Defense shallow now. Everyone walk in. Left up, pop potion and walking. Yo, we're gonna kill the tanks inside of us. DPS find me. Everything, get ready. Northeast side, on top of me. 5. Wait, after the night armors. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me.
Hard CD yung ano ko ah. Hard CD yung root band ko.
Damage. Spread northeast now.
Spread
Northeast. They're gonna come here.
TD lahat, ano ko ah.
Spread. Yo, Zancher's inside. Spread.
Hindi yung cheater bomb east side. Cheater bomb east side.
Okay, heal northeast.
Cheater bomb east side. Nag-invi.
Wait, Mariko, wait, spread. Demon out, inside. Okay, walk southwest. Mariko,
patay.
engage again on top ah.
Hindi pa full.
Bakit ka nandyan? Come northeast.
Sumusunod sila Mugi ah.
Tanks, my fucking DPS. You know, my death tanks, my DPS. I'm out of DPS. My death tanks are dying.
Mugi sumusunod sila.
Holy shit, man. Just walk. DPS is. Are you guys gonna do gear? I'm gonna wait. If you guys are gonna do gear, I'm gonna wait. Second fruit. Just walk. I need dismounted.
Yung iba dismounted yung iba.
Tatlo na lang potion ba?
Kapila ko ng shaper oh.
Pakatch.
Nakatch ko to ah.
Kailan. Tatalon ako yan shaper na yan.
Ping.
Umalis.
Ay rest eh.
Umalis.
How many DPS party 2?
Tatlo.
Nawala na yung
Sige.
shaper. Nawala na.
Everyone, catch this guys. Catch front. Kill front.
Ay gago.
Puti nga mali pa na uli. Yo, spread northeast side. Just hold. Yo, double OC food up.
Dismounted sa bridge.
Yeah. Let them pass through. I swear, if somebody dies on the choke, I'm gonna
Pag
fucking
malapit
kill
na tayo
them.
mag-engage.
Shaper, careful. Shaper.
Kaming shaper ata.
Yo.
Rondi mo na. Rondi mo na.
I'm waiting for DPS. I'm waiting for Spike. I see Spike. Ano Squid? Pangatlong beses mo na namatay this ano?
Andoy. May bat
Pangatlong beses mo na namatay. I'm not this. Dude, can they fucking play open world? Yo, can you catch this? Patayin niyo lahat ng makita niyo.
Sumusunod sila Mogi yan.
Yeah. They're passing the choke?
Yeah.
Okay, kamis pa. Yo, death tanks ang layo nyo sa akin. Kamis pa. Spread. Yo, get ready to hold them on the choke. Don't let them go back to the choke. Yo, ready. Pajay na choke. Yo, pajay na choke. Everything on the choke. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Yo, demon in front. Kamis. Come back. Spread now. Spread northeast. Okay? Now, wait. Walk in now. Get ready to pop your potions. Just walk in. Guard rune. Yo, ready Wait, walk in. Okay, pop your potion now. Potion now. South side. Potion, south side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now walk in. Keep walking. Now spread now. They're gonna turn. Defenses, full defense. Pull. Yo, can you guys spread instantly? After engaging, spread instantly. Heal front. Yo, heal. Where are the healers? Chrono died because there's no healer. Keep walking. No fear. Keep walking. We win open world. Keep walking. Death tank. Yo, look at me. Southwest. 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Hit this on me. Now spread again. They're gonna look. Spread again. They're gonna look. Now, defense now and walk in. Defense and walk in. Keep pushing. Death tank, keep holding. GA if you can, keep holding. Full hold now. Look at this choke here on me. Look at Zancher. Everything on Zancher. Get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Kill guys inside. Okay, now spread northeast now. Get out of the choke again. Spread northeast. Yo, D-clump. I know they're looking. Defense east side. Okay?
Di mo na ako.
Walang damage yung Brim.
Wala akong put.
Yo, healers, if I say full push, just push it, man. You know, you can play on the sides. Ang tagal dun ni Chrono. Nag-aantay ng heal. Wala, patay. Yun guys, if I tell you,
Kami sa bridge.
didn't you guys pop your potions?
Hindi kasi yung big deal ko.
Northeast. You kill this. Ano? Lumalabas ba sila ulit? Come Northeast.
Sumusunod.
Let them follow. We can fight them, ano. KFPD smash. Come Northeast.
Nagka-cleanse na lang ako.
Looter.
Following sila.
Ivan, get ready. Boots up east side.
May stop ko tumugi sa choke. Putang ina mo.
Boots up east side. Uy, wait lang. Bakit?
Crossing sila.
Wait. Sige. Dismount comes out. Saan sila?
Wala, hindi tumuloy.
Yeah, man top. Are they not walking out? Come southeast. Pa-watch. Everyone comes out. Yeah, dismount. Come west side. Catch if you can. Catch all of them here. Catch them. Wala man lang na-catch. Come back northeast. Sige.
Ayun, layo nyo.
Come back east. Let them. We pull them back. They keep hiding in their territory. Come back.
Pero pang mga ayun
Yo, don't attack that beetle. Just keep petting. Are they coming?
Yeah. Just dito lang mga
Yo, follow me. Hello.
Yo, ba't ito sa choke?
Hello. Follow me.
Mahuli ko itong malayo.
Sige. Huli mo. Come northwest.
Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him.
Tayo,
Catch him, catch him, catch him. West side, look at west side shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side shallow on me.
Ano yung DPS nila?
Ay.
Hindi mo makita ang DPS nila. Puro tank
Come
yan.
east side, come south east side. Take space outside. Come south.
Andito yung ano, andito
Come
yung
south,
ibang
keep
mob.
coming south, just follow me. Come south. They're hiding inside their dairy. Come south.
Catch ko to, Mogi. Andito sila.
Eh, layo niyan, pre. 2 screens away yan. Come southeast. Eh, mantap nga. Puro sila dairy.
Ano sila? Uphill sila.
Eh, convertis.
Looking at
Looking.
I'm mounted.
Tuloy si Raymond.
Raymond.
Smart. Yo, Raymond, catch mo na. Diyan ka na rin naman eh.
Putang ina,
Nahuli na.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South to sun. Mia. Okay, now push in and spread. 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 Hold them. Push in and spread. They're gonna engage soon. Get ready defenses. Push in and spread. Defense now. Proper potion defense now. Okay, keep walking northwest now. We're gonna full engage on the choke. Get ready. Hold them on the choke. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke. Everything. Send it on the choke. Send it on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. 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 More DPS. Okay, come back. Sige, come back. Wala na, come back. Miss opportunity. They don't have engage yet. Miss opportunity. Defense shallow. Nice defenses.
Di mo na ako.
Dami na sa oras dito. Teteri lang sila. Yo, DPS, ready. Load Zancher. Everything on Zancher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on Zancher. Come back.
Sige.
Shibal.
Yo, they can engage. Engage coming soon. Ready your potions. Do you have potions?
Wala.
Yeah.
Yo, listen, get ready.
Walking pa.
Copy pots walking.
Guard rune on the choke.
Guard rune, pots walking. Hold them. Young.
Guard runes pa sa choke.
North side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send it. More damage. Come south. I mean, dude, the reason bakit pinapapop ko ng potion kasi mas madali. Defense shallow.
Yung bibam sa south ng invis ah. South side.
Spread. Demon behind. Come southwest. Yo, come. Catch this guy.
Hindi yan. Mount up.
North side. Yun na sa north side. And catch nyo.